In this video, we're going to fire up the Ouya Android-based video game console for the very first time. So let's get to it. So I have the Ouya plugged into my TV set, and all I have to do is turn it on. Now if you checked out my unboxing video on this device, you'll know that a power button is right on top of the box. So I'm just going to click on that and fire it up for the first time. And here we go. Ouya. Ouya. All right, it says welcome. To pair your controller, press and hold the Ouya button, or the U button. Actually, it is probably the Ouya button because there is another set of buttons where there is a U button. But press and hold the Ouya button until only the middle two LEDs are flashing, then let go. So I'm holding on to the Ouya button, and here we go. Got two flashing lights on the controller, and I've let go. So it's pairing. There we go. So apparently it is a Bluetooth remote, or a Bluetooth controller. So the next selection here is to continue. Obviously, as you can see, this device supports up to 4 controllers. So to select, you hit the O button. Join a wireless network. So let me sign into my home wireless network, and I'll join up with you on the other side of that. Okay, I'm connected to my home wireless network, and it's checking for software update. And I'm sure there's some sort of software update for this device. And it actually has some cute little messages there. It said aligning synergies, shooting stars. So it's got a little personality. Your update has finished downloading. Click OK to apply it. So I'm going to do that. And it's going to install the update. Just reminding me not to unplug it or turn it off during this process. And right there you notice that it is Android, a very characteristic Android notification there. So we have an Ouya splash screen and a little bar on the bottom to show you the progress. Ouya. Okay, it says welcome. Controller paired. I did that before the firmware update. And it says pair additional controllers under the Manage menu once the setup is complete. So I'm going to hit the O button to continue. Okay, I hit the continue button and then it showed my home wireless network. And it wanted me to choose my home wireless network. Now, since I only had one wireless network attached to this device, it only had one on the menu there, so I edited that out just to keep my privacy. And this is the next screen here. It says account. So obviously I don't have an account yet, so I'm going to click on New Account. And this is what the on-screen keyboard looks like. Now, what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to use the name of my YouTube channel as my gamer tag, or whatever they call it for the Ouya ecosystem. Or username, I guess it's username. So if there's any multiplayer games you might want to play me in, I'm not a huge gamer, so I can't promise anything. Just like if you guys invite me to games on Facebook, you know, I do read everything that comes across on Facebook. I do read every comment that comes through on my YouTube channel, but I just don't have the time to game like I used to. So please don't take offense to it if I don't respond to any game invites. However, if you do see me on one of these games and I'm playing, feel free to invite me to however it works on this, multiplayer game or whatnot, because I'd be happy to play. But again, I don't have a whole lot of free time between my day job and doing this and all the other projects that I have in my life to game as much as I would like to. But feel free to look me up, TechHarvest. So I'm going to show you the on-screen keyboard here and give you the sights and sounds of it as I type in TechHarvest, and I'll try and keep quiet so you can get the full feeling of what this on-screen keyboard is all about. So let me fill in the rest, and I'll join you on the other side of that. So I created my username, and the next thing it wants is payment information. So this is if you want to buy any games on this system. Now, I don't know if you have to put in a credit card. I really don't feel like doing it right now, so I'm going to see if I can bypass this. Okay, you must enter your name. Okay, on the bottom, you can skip this with the Y button. So I am going to skip that. Credit card info is required to download games. Okay, so you have to have a credit card in there to even download a game. Well, I guess I will put a credit card in then. So let me get my credit card and I'll put in the information and I'll see you on the other side of that. Okay, so I entered in my credit card information, and as you can see up top, TechHarvest is my username. This is the main menu, and you have 4 selections. You have Play, Discover, Make, and Manage. And then on the bottom you have some instructions as to what 2 of the buttons do. The O button is Select, and the Y button is Controller Off. So I think I'm going to end this video here. And we're going to take a first look at the interface and all the games available on the Ouya in my next video. So as always, if you like what you see, please subscribe. If you want to help out my channel, give me a thumbs up or favorite this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.